Welcome to the learning journey of this LLMOps Masterclass. First of all, guys, thank you so much for enrolling to our course. It has been a pleasure to interact with you and share my knowledge through manifold AI learning. Now, this is how your learning journey would look like as part of this LLMOps Masterclass. Here, in your learning journey, you'll start by understanding the generative AI. What exactly is this generative AI? Then you would progress and understand about the prompt engineering, the technical details of large language models, and followed by implementing your project 1, where you will go ahead and build an AI application using the ChatGPT. Then you will go ahead and implement this LLMOps techniques using the industry standard tools, that is usage of Git, GitHub Action, and implementing it on the Kubernetes cluster. Then you will move ahead and implement your project number 2, which is about building an AI application using the Hugging Face models. And at the end, you'll also learn about how you can monitor your large language models in the production environment. As you progress in your learning journey, you will gain the deeper understanding of generative AI and its practical application. You will learn the essential techniques for deploying, monitoring, and optimizing your large language models and the machine learning models in the production environment. You will explore the transformative potential of generative AI in various industries, and you'll also navigate the diverse landscape of artificial intelligence and discover the emerging trends and the application. Now, to get the most of this course, we recommend you to practice the hands-on. We recommend you to perform the hands-on coding and the assignment. And lastly, stay committed for consistent learning. At least aim to improve 1% every day. With that, you get the maximum benefit out of this course. Now, to help you further in your learning journey, you'll also get the additional resources for download, that is the slides PDF as well as the source code, so that you can progress in your learning journey. So folks, thank you again for enrolling with us, and let your learning journey begin.